And the real cold mornings are going to be early next week. By the time we get to Tuesday, that's when we're going to see some of the more widespread cold. We're getting a little help today in terms of the temperatures this morning because of those clouds. You can see from our camera on top of the Salesforce Tower, we're waking up with a low deck of stratus clouds over much of the Bay Area. It almost looks more like a summer pattern than it typically would for us through the winter. And you can see the view over the Tri-Valley shows you the same view. A lot of low clouds here. And if we want to see if there's any issues with this on the temperatures, no one's in the 30s. Everybody's in the 40s right now, so it has helped to keep the temperatures relatively warm. And by keeping the temperatures relatively warm, that helps to limit any of the fog forming down here on the roadways. Take a look at the visibility sensor. You can see the only place that might have a minor issue on here is Napa. And at that, we can see Napa's down to about 0.3 of a mile. So give yourself a little extra time on the road if you're in the far North Bay. Other than that, everyone else is okay as far as fog goes. There's the marine layer, and it burns off by late morning. So as gray as it is now, we're going to get sunshine for most of this day. And we'll see temperatures that will climb back up into the low and mid-60s. In spots, we'll top out at 64 inland for Concord. We'll go to 62 in San Jose. It'll be 59 in Fremont. We'll go to 56 in the city. And it's going to be breezy today if you're near the water. Watch what happens to the winds. Just like yesterday. If you're near the coast, out on the peninsula, or even on the immediate bay, wind will pick up by the early afternoon, but most other locations shouldn't really notice a whole lot in terms of the wind today. Let's talk about the rain, because that's coming back tomorrow. We'll time out the leading edge of the showers, which makes it to the North Bay. This is tomorrow by the time we've gotten into the early afternoon. Rain begins tomorrow early afternoon in the North Bay. And then those showers will march the way across the entire Bay Area with some of the best of the rain moving through the heart of the Bay, right over the city and the East Bay by the time we get to about sunset. And then it clears the South Bay by the time we get to about midnight or a little before that. So really, second half of the day tomorrow, widespread rain for the Bay Area. And then an interesting little item shows up right there with that bullseye down over Mount Hamilton in the mountains of the South Bay. It won't be a lot of snow, but we will get a light dusting of snow again from this system as it moves through. And then what we just saw right there, taking us into very early on Monday morning, we'll have a few leftover showers, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm on Monday morning. But there'd be very few of those. Could see some small hail. It wouldn't be too widespread. But it's possible for early Monday. And when you add up how much rain we're going to get for the second half of Sunday and Monday's showers, the numbers look pretty good. We could get 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, maybe even a little more in some spots as this system moves through. Then we'll get a break. Tuesday, remember, it's going to be cold in the mornings as that system clears out, even though you don't see anything that stands out so much here at Tuesday when you look at the daytime highs. That'll be the morning when we see temperatures dip down into the upper 30s in many places. Next chance of rain, that shows up by the end of next week. We'll have more on that as we get closer to it, Devin.
Well, we definitely need the rain. The window is kind of closing for us, though, right, for this season?
Yeah, so once we get through the month of March, that's our last month throughout the year where you can see the hope for a significant addition of rain. And it doesn't look like a whole lot's coming our way either, Devin, in this month. So
we'll take every drop. Thank you.